So we are going to see how to connect CODESYS version 2.3 to FluidSim and how to implement FluidPy. So we are going to create a new project. We select FluidPyPLC Win NT and we click OK. We then select ST code, so structure text. We click OK. And I'm going to maximize this to see much clearer. OK. Now we are going to open FluidPy to generate our code. So we will do a sequence, a basic one, so like 3 activations from B, B, and then C+, C-. We finish it and we can see our phases diagram and the data. So we have 6 relay memories and 7 blocks. So we close this and we show our PLC ST code. So we will need as global variables AB0 and EB0 as bytes to pass them to the PLC. So we are going to open the global variables. Perfect. And we paste. Here we save it and we save our project like this. So PLC test and we save it. Perfect. Now we go back to PLC program and we paste the other Boolean variables. So we pass them and we save them and we also copy all the ST code here, save it, and we can go online communication parameters, and I already have localhost, but for tutorial purposes I will remove it and create a new one. So I'm going to create a new one and we have to select the TCP IP level 2 root and we click OK. Perfect, we click OK. Now we go on projects, options, symbol configuration, we check these boxes and we configure our symbol file. So we click on PLC program and we export and we click global and we export the variables. So we click OK, we click OK, perfect. Now we are set for now. So we open FluidSim. I already drew the circuit. Here we have it. So I'm going to zoom it so you can see. Okay, perfect. So now we will start our OPC server. So to do this, we start EzOPC, mine its version 5.5. So here I have my drivers installed and we make sure that the process simulation will be in FluidSim and the CODESYS will be our controller. So we can minimize this, we don't need this. And we go on FluidSim and we configure our OPC mode. So we select OPC mode, we enable event buffer and we click OK. So I already configured this, but we will do this another time. So we click EzOPC.2, we click OK, and we browse for our item. So for the outputs, we will have EB0. So if this doesn't show up, you can write it by hand. So we click OK, and we click OK. We do the same for the inputs. So EzOPC.2, and we browse for our item will be CODESYS AB0. So we select him and we click OK. Perfect. We are set with FluidSim, so we can minimize this and we can go and log in. If we log in, an error pop-up will show up, your communication error, so we have to do one more thing. So we start PLC Win NT and it's a demo mode, so we don't care, but we click OK. Okay, here it is. So the program is not loaded. To load it, you can log in again, download the program, okay, and it started. So The program now is loaded, but the state is stopped. First, we have to configure this on OPC. So we open CODESYS OPC configurator. We go on our server, and here I have my other PLCs, and we will append another. So the project name is the name that we chose before. So mine will be this. Okay, we go on connections, edit, and we will have localhost via TCP. So we click OK, and we save our file. So we can close this. Perfect. Now that we have PLC WinNT opened, we can go on FluidSim. We can start our circuit. I already checked that the connections are okay, so to check it, you can go on FluidPy and check if these are okay. So we have A plus solenoid on AB0.1, so here we have it, and the others too. So we minimize this, we can go on EzOPC, and we can see that the project is ready and PLC test is ready. So the CODESYS, we go here and we can see our inputs are enabled. So we minimize this, we go back on our PLC WinNT and we click start, and we start our PLC. Now the simulation can be done, so we click the start button and the circuit will start. So we have 3 activations of B and then C, and the circuit will start over again.